Great job. Okay, next section. We're gonna make a banner. Banner time. So go ahead, take this. See, we just finished that section. Whoa. Okay, just finish that section. Paste that, and let's go banner. Save. And we can grab this to organize that as well. Organize our CSS as well. Enter, boom. Banner styles. Banner. Save. Banner. Okay. Right here, let's go. Chat. Let's make a section. Class, and that is banner. Everything will be inside of that. Let's go. Let's style that first a little bit, actually. Save, boom. We're gonna grab this banner right here, this class, and go enter. Period, paste, curly braces, yee. Let's go height, kind of like the first one. 80, viewport height. And let's put a background image. Let's go URL 12/ images banner 2, and let's check it out. Jaimungo. Okay. All right, don't worry. Let's go and let's adjust that now. So you know what we can do, so we're not repeating yourself. Go ahead up to the top. Right here, we're gonna go size, cover, and attached, and padding top. Copy. Bring it down. Enter, paste. So we want background size. We want that to cover. Background position, we want it to be centered. We want this one also attached so that it flows through. Padding top though, let's adjust that and let's make that 14px. Look at that. And look how it flows. Look how that flows. Seamless transition. Look, man. You guys are a pro coding this thing. Chat. Look at that. Okay. Banner. Good. So we got that. Now let's go back to our HTML. Back to the HTML. Boom. Let's give it a div. Class equals banner dash highlights. Good. And then let's go ahead and give it a div. What am I doing? Okay. Let's go class div, class equals container now inside that we're gonna do a little row, small, not as much, don't worry. Div space class equals row. And inside that row, one more div, not capital D, div class equals column dash MD dash 8. Okay. And inside of this, let's go H2. Just like a fake promo. Get 50% off on top destinations. Okay. And then let's grab, I'll also put this placeholder text in the description of this video. Just like, let's grab a smaller one like this right here. I'll put it in the description. You'll see. Go ahead and grab that from the video, and then just put that there. Just some words. Div file save, and then let's also put a button, and then we'll style it all in a second. So see, I got my words right there at the top left. And let's go ahead and add the button here, and then we'll jump into our CSS to style it. So under that closing div, make another one. Div class equals call dash MD dash 4. Okay, and then we'll put a button in there for people that want to get the button. I mean, want that deal. Button type equals, type is a button, give that a class, equals booking. So those that want to book, BTN, and it'll be book now. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 section. 1, 2, 3, 4 section. Yee! All right. So now we can start styling this then. Okay. So we'll go banner highlights. Take that. Copy. Boom. Enter, dot, paste, curly brace, good. And now let's go padding. 70 px, top and bottom, and 0. Good. So you see we got our words there, and then we got our button right there. So we just moved it down, or we just made it a little larger. And let's go background, background. We're gonna do RGBA. We're gonna use this one, so it's black, but we're gonna do 0.7 for the occupancy. Look at that. All right. Let's go text align. Center, let's put that in the middle. And let's put the color of the text to be white. Save. Boom. Boom and boom. Much better. Much better, much better, much better. Okay. So now let's start editing our button. So right here we can go booking-btn, grab that, put your period and curly brace. Width, what? Width, I said width. There you go. 120 px. Padding, we'll go like our last one. Oh, you know what? Don't repeat yourself. Let's go to our other button that we created. Where's that at? In our header. Right here. Let's go ahead and grab that. Copy. It's our login button, but now we're going to use this button. Paste. But yeah, let's adjust it. Let's go 120. We got important, that's correct. Boom, 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 that's good. 50, transparent, F. And this one, instead of float right, let's go margin top. 20 px. Save that bad boy. And nice. Okay. How does that look? Nicely done. I actually want to get that a little more down. So, let's go up here. Not px, let's change that to percent. Ah, that's better. So boom, smooth, and smooth. So you can see the picture flow. It's good. Man, that is sweet. Okay, look, there you go. You finished the banner section. Good.